Hello guys, welcome back to Studio by EduSquad. This is very unusual for you also because this is going to be a vlog video. Yes, this whole video is going to be a BTS of my educational setup completely. So let's dive deep into it. Behind me is the door and I am entering into my studio right now. This is a 65-inch interactive flat panel. Now with panels, the thing is we have three different types and sizes of panels. This one you see is a 65-inch panel, and here this is a 86-inch Evota flat panel, and here as you can see is a Maxup 75-inch panel. All of these are used for different purposes, different studio and different needs as per your convenience. And I'm changing my hand because this is very tough.
ये मजबूर हैं पर आप नहीं.
Now, from a wide view, what is visible to you is that I have kept my studio very clean. Now, believe it or not, your workplace always has to be very clean, very sheer. For the productivity, it is directly related to productivity. The angles may vary because I keep changing my hands because of the heaviness. Let me quickly tell you what are the equipments behind me. This is a lighting panel and we have a total of 4 direction lighting solution in our studio, which are a set of 9 lights. One is on my left, one is on my right, 3 are, if it is visible to you, 3 are on the top and 3 as you can see are on the bottom. These stands help you to adjust the hydrochloric angles while you are shooting. Also, this is a 86-inch flat panel and this is mainly used for hybrid coaching classes where students are up to 80 to 100 in a classroom. This is another lighting panel. Now, since I mentioned workplace being clean, you can see that our whole studio is wireless. The mic I have is wireless. The digital panels we have in the studio are wireless. The PTZ camera which I have is also wireless. And the lighting solution I have, the lighting panels I have are also wireless. So if you opt for setting up your studio from EduSquad, you get a perfect solution based service where your studio also would be wireless and would be very pretty. Yeah, and also since this is visible in the screen, let me tell you about this also. This is our official EduSquad's website. You can hop onto our website and you can browse every products that we have listed there. You can shop it from there too. This is the second lighting stand and as you can see, this is our living area. Here we attend all of our clients who come for demo to our experience center, the one you're seeing right now. And moving forward, these as you can see are all of the products we deal in, EduSquad deals in. Those are listed here very sophisticatedly, very presentable form. This is a 75-inch Maxup interactive flat panel which is used for offline as well as online classes. And for online classes, it can attain a range of students 40 to 60 to 80 maximum. Now this, as you can see, we have 2 screens. One is for the OBS output and other one is for comment reading. This is where I appear while I'm taking my classes. I'll show you guys. This is where the OBS output comes and this is where I'm standing and I usually take classes from here. And in front of me is the PTZ camera, the 4K PTZ camera I use for my online and offline coaching classes. The USP of this experience center is that we have a total of 3 types of acoustic treatment which are used for soundproofing in the studio itself. The one is on the bottom. It is an acoustic carpet. One is, you can see this behind my interactive flat panel. We have one behind this digital panel. This is a wooden associated panel which also makes your studio looks very versatile and very pretty in accommodation. And one we have is this white acoustic sheet which is used for soundproofing and it is of very nice and productive quality. Now the last thing which I used while recording is mic, which is also wireless, and there are multiple ways to set up a mic to attach it with your bottoms or clothes or anything. This was a mini vlog of my educational setup and a complete details of how I shoot my videos. If you are planning to buy a studio setup or you wish to purchase any of the studio setup equipments I showed you in this video, you can contact on the number mentioned below. Our team will respond within 4 to 6 hours and you will get the best possible value out of your money. So do not forget to share this video with your other creator and teachers friends to make their lives very simplified with this studio setup solution. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.